What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV. We've got some really cool and interesting news about the Nvidia Shield. Looks like they're coming out with a new version of it. And if you don't know what an Nvidia Shield is, basically what it is, it's a TV set-top box that allows you to stream video from like Netflix and Hulu and all kinds of other TV providers. You can also game on it. It's a very powerful Android gaming machine. You can stream your PC games from it if you have an Nvidia Shield, Nvidia, I should say, graphics card. You can also, they have their own streaming gaming service independent of that allows you to stream from the internet from for 1080p 60 frames per second. And it looks like they're coming out with, like I said, a new console, new version of this system, and it's showing up on the Google Play console device catalog. And we get some information about it, but some of the information matches what is in the current Nvidia Shield, which is, it could be just placeholders is what they're saying basically. So the nickname for this is M Darcy. It's going to be running Android 9 Pie. Some of the specs on it are that it's going to have 3 gigabytes of RAM, which would, again, basically all these specs I'm going to read match what you get with the current Nvidia Shield. 3 gigabytes of RAM. Also, it says it has the Nvidia Tegra X1 T210, which again matches what you get with the Nvidia Shield, but some of this stuff could just be placeholders, just information so they can get some of this information out. The GPU is Nvidia Maxwell, and if you've ever used an Nvidia Shield, you'll know firsthand it's fast, it's powerful, and they update it all the time. They put out updates for this system on a very regular basis, adding a ton of features to it, however be different apps, different features within the operating system. They update the remotes and things like that. And speaking of the remotes, some information came out a bit ago from XDA developers. Code names for the controller, the gaming controller, will be called Stormcaster, and Friday is going to be the name, it's the nickname anyway, for the Shield remote. Also within this, if this is new hardware, if you didn't know, the Nintendo Switch does use basically the same hardware that the Nvidia Shield uses. So if this has new hardware, and there's rumors about an upgraded Nintendo Switch as well, it could use the same exact hardware that we're going to get in the brand new Nvidia Shield. And what's missing from this? Obviously, they could add the game streaming service. Maybe potentially, if the old one can't do it, maybe the new one will be able to stream from the internet 4K at 60 frames or 120 frames per second. Maybe the old version can't do that. I'd be surprised if the old version can't do it, but you never know. Other things they could do maybe is up to 8K resolution with the TV, since 8K TVs are starting to trickle out here. And other than that, I mean, there's not, I can't think of too many other things that they could add that would really be needed in this system. But I don't know, let me know what you guys think. Are you excited about the new Nvidia Shield? I know I am. It built this channel in the beginning stage of this. It really got my channel rolling, and I'm excited to get my hands on the new version of this. We don't have a release date or price, obviously, at this point, but if this information's starting to trickle out, I would expect that you'd probably see, hopefully, this around the holiday season. At this point, maybe 2020, we'll wait and see. But if any new information comes out about it, I will definitely let you guys know. Thanks for watching. See you down the road. Peace.